Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp backup error. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to fix your WhatsApp backup error, let me tell you what this is. So I click on this three dot, I go on setting, I go on chats over here, and over here there's chat backup over here. So by clicking on it, your chat should be back up normally. But if it doesn't gets backed up normally, the first thing is make sure your internet connection is stable, because if your internet connection is slow, then it's gonna show error while backing up your WhatsApp chat, because like it requires internet to back up your chat because it's uploading your chat to the specific location which you chose. So make sure internet connection is stable. And the other thing is make sure your WhatsApp is up to date, because like some problems are caused if your WhatsApp is not up to date, because WhatsApp fixes their bug on their every single new update. So make sure your WhatsApp is up to date, because if the problem is caused by a bug, then updating your WhatsApp can fix it. Right now my WhatsApp is up to date, as you guys can see. So make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. And after your WhatsApp is up to date, if you still receive this error, the other thing you can do is go out of WhatsApp and then hold on the WhatsApp logo and then click on app info, and it's gonna take you to WhatsApp's app info over here. And once you're over here, you can click on storage usage. Once you're in storage usage, you can click on clear cache and then clear your cache. And after clearing your cache, close your WhatsApp and restart your WhatsApp again by closing your WhatsApp. After restarting your WhatsApp, enter your WhatsApp again. After entering your WhatsApp, click on this three dot on setting, go to chat and click on chat backup. Now once you're in your chat backup, make sure it's set up over here on your Google Drive, because like your chat is backed up in Google Drive, right? And make sure the Google Drive in which your chat is backed up should be should have sufficient storage, because like if your Google Drive is full, then your chat won't be backed up. Sometimes this problem arises, but people don't know the main root cause of this problem. When your Google Drive is full, then it won't be able to back up your chat on that drive. So if your Google Drive is full, then choose another Google account and use the other Google Drive. Just use an empty Google Drive, okay? And over here click on Google account and select your appropriate Google account in which you want to store it. And after choosing the Google account which you want, wait for some time. It's authenticating with Google Drive. And after doing that, you can click on backup, and if you want your videos to be backed up as well, you can click on include video and click on backup. And after clicking on backup, your chat should be backed up. So this is how we can fix this error. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.